Morning, guys. I'm heading out in a little bit to work. Another face makeup another makeup tutorial this morning, and what I'm doing right now, I'm putting on my Mary Kay Time Wise moisturizer. This is pretty good. It's good stuff. I like it. It's light. Let me put a little bit on my hand here. It's very lightweight type stuff. I put it everywhere. This area here is the area that's trying to get wrinkled. I ain't gonna let that happen. I don't know if I'll ever do a facelift because, well, for one, I'd be worried about the healing process. Having type 2 diabetes, I'll have to, even when I get rid of it, because I'm working on getting rid of it because I got rid of it before. I would still be worried about the healing process. All right, so let me get my Mary Kay again, the medium coverage bronze. Okay, let's get that out. I mean, it doesn't look like my skin, but it gives good coverage. It blends in because I don't want it to look too, light. I like to have a dark coverage on my face. Oh, Fit Me. Fit Me was the product I was thinking about that is my go-to for the summer. I think it's called Caramel. No, Toffee. Toffee. This reminds me of it. This color bronze. But it's a little darker, so I use that one. And if I did run out of this one before ordering, I would use the Fit Me, but I'd have to put like some powder over it to even it out. Yep. They say what works, or if it's not broken, don't try to fix it. I had no problem on the top of my forehead until I tried to use some kind of youthful looking thing that had like silicone with acid or something in it, and it broke me out and left me with these stuff that I'm gonna have to go to a dermatologist to get rid of. Actually, it was a dermatologist I went to. I was like, why did I even want to bother? Because all I wanted to do was get rid of these spots right here. Spot still stays, but then all these other problems happen. I was like, oh my God, why did I do that? Why? So, if you got a routine that's working for you, don't try anything else. It's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. So I must have had an allergic reaction to it, but oh well, you'll learn. And I put this on with my finger, it's easier. But you save a lot too, because that brush uses up a lot of your product. Wastes it. Okay, I'm going to get off here for a minute and go do my eyebrows because I cannot do it with one hand. Okay, hold on. Okay, I am back and did the eyebrows. Of course, got my foundation on, and it's not a full coverage. You can still see spots on my face, but that's okay. I'll use my Mary Kay Bronze 1. What is it? Like a translucent mineral powder foundation when I'm done. Okay, so now I'm putting on my lip gloss, and this time I'm going for the leopard look of the outfit. At least my shirt has some leopard look to it. I think it's leopard. I can't remember. It's got some brown in it, so the lip gloss I'm using right now is called Snuggles, and I love these. It's by LA Colors High Shine lip gloss with shea butter. So usually, you know, I put my little Mary Kay thing on first. It's the Extra Emollient Night Cream. I don't know why I don't open these things before I get on here, but okay, so a little bit here, my finger. And put this lip gloss on. All right. A little bit there. Got that back in there. Then I have this lip color by Jordana Water and Matte Lipstick. And I'm trying to find the color. It's called Marburg. It's this one right here. Let's get this open. Hold on one second. And there's the color. Okay. Okay, so it's like that. Very simple. I'm going to meetings, so I don't need my lips to be red. All right, so let's get some eye powder on. I'm going to use this brush. I forgot this called. It's like a wooden brush. I forgot the name of it. This one doesn't have the name on there. And so I'm going to go into my cosmetic powder I used yesterday, which was the Celestial Rose eyeshadow collection. It has all these beautiful colors in there, so I'm going to get to the browns. All right, so let's see. I gotta see because I can't see. I use that light color. It's like a beige. Put it up there. Alright, then I'll use the brush from there. And I'll probably get into this little brown one right here. I like to put the light colors on my eyelid. And then blend it in. Then there's a darker brown one on here. It's like a copper-like. I'll put up in here. You can tell these are not overly, dramatic. Because I am going to work. All right. And so then for the blush, I'm going to use the darker brown in here of my Missy Lynn Start with Confidence and Finish with Success makeup. It's an eyeshadow bake and highlighter palette, but I use it also for my blush. Look at that, that is so beautiful. The reason I'm putting this one on first is because I'm going to put my mineral powder on. And I'm going to put that on. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. So I dusted off the brush. And it still has just a little bit of this in there, which I kind of like, because then when I put my powder on, some of that color will transfer all over. Whoa, 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 that was a lot. Forgot to dust that off, well, that's okay. We're not editing it out. We are not editing it out. We're gonna keep on going. Okay, this. Gotta be careful. I could have got that in my eye. I need a little bit more. Yeah, you gotta look when you put this thing on there, because, child. All right, so that's done. So if I need anything else, I was looking for my brown lip liner put on. Can't find that. And so that's it. But I am gonna try to wear my mascara today. It's by Benefit Roller Lash. Let's try to see how long that's gonna stay on my eye today. I won't be putting an eyeliner on, but I'm gonna put this on. So I absolutely love this mascara. I really do. It is my favorite. Can't really see it going on. Don't see a lot of it on there, but it's some. Just a little bit. And then I gotta put on my highlighter on my nose. All right, I gotta find that. Let me see if I can find my pencil for my lips. And this may not be the right one. I don't think this is the red one. I done dropped some ice on the floor and stepping on it. Let me see which one this is. Hair looking crazy. Nope, I'm gonna leave my lips like that because I don't want to put any red on it. I can't find that, so I'll be right back, guys, with the finished look. And back. back. Oh, Lord. I am back. Okay, so brushing the hair here. Got my earrings on. I should just put this over here like this. Something a little different today with my hair. Yeah, that'll work. You don't have to do much with this one. What in the world is going on with this light? It's weird. Oh. All right, so water in this. You have to put that back over here. This is not working. Okay. It's a little bit better, but I don't want these flyaways in my face. All right, let's see. Yeah, better. Much better. Okay, I'm back and I am fully dressed now. And I did find my lip liner. It's the that I'm using. It's a dark brown, and it's by Rimmel London. Rimmel London. So I found it. So. Yeah, that's it. Have a fantastic Wednesday, and thank you for tuning in to this bronze type makeup look. The little brown. This is leopard, right? I hope so. Anyway, have a fantastic Wednesday, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And let's see what I'll be wearing tomorrow and what colors I'll be wearing. Could be purple. I love violet colors. All right, take care, everyone, and have a fantastic Wednesday. Bye-bye.